In this video, we'll walk through the initial UniCon setup process, from connecting your channels to understanding the main dashboard once your account is ready. To get started with UniCon, you'll want to sign into the Threecolts Hub. After selecting UniCon from the Threecolts app list, you'll be brought to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your account. You'll be able to see details about your products, including which products are active, which are inactive, and whether there are any orders available. You'll also see information about your connected channels and their current status. On the dashboard, you'll also find the Activity tab. After UniCon is connected to your marketplace, it begins importing products from the marketplace into your UniCon account. The Activity area shows the import notifications and updates, so you can track when products are being brought over from the connected marketplace into UniCon. You can also review your connected channels by going to My Channels. Here, you'll see which channels are connected, which account is linked to each channel, and their current connection status. If you need to make changes, you can review the channel details and go into the product settings. At this point, your initial UniCon setup is complete, and you're ready to start managing your connected channels and product data.